Alright guys, it's a Thursday, September 6th. Look at that, we got a little dust storm going on up the street here. Just on my way walking to work. Yeah, it's pretty windy. But you see why it's going to storm. It's going to be a bad storm. Luckily, I have my umbrella. This is the way I walk every day. I like walking this way, I really do, because you see they have all the like all the stores and stuff that you would expect to find in many places here in town. But this portion of the street here, this feels more like a real neighborhood. You know, you always got people in front of the businesses, friends and family, kids. They're all eating or drinking or, you know, having get-togethers. And then strangers can go in and just buy stuff if they want to. But I'm pretty sure most people like run their businesses in the front and then live in little houses or buildings in the back or on top of their businesses. And the other thing is I love my neighborhood. I do. I've mentioned that several times. I love the area, but it is geared toward more geared toward tourists and expats. Any given time, you can find probably just as many foreigners as you can local people wandering about, going about their business. But here, that's kind of rare. I walked here, of course, all week so far, and a few times last week, and I do see one or two foreigners either riding through on their bicycles or walking through. But ooh, stuff for sale. Look at that, nice. But other than that, you don't really see a lot of foreigners in this part of the town. So I do like it. Everybody's really friendly. On the way home, normally I'll get a bunch of kids that are playing. They all want to say hello, 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 jump up and down and yell. And even a few adults like to get in on the action. I had one guy just come out, shake my hand, wanted to know where I was from, where I was going, that I want to sit down and have a beer, just out of the blue. I like that. Really nice and friendly. Plus, there are a few apartments, guest houses in this part of the street, or in this part of the town. But like I said, I don't see a big foreign presence. Ooh, that wind though. Wow. And there was a lot of dirt on the street, so I just got pretty much felt like I've been crop dusted here. Got a little sand in my eyes, it's in my hair. But man, that breeze does feel good, but it's the forebearer of bad weather, I'm afraid. So I'm walking a little bit faster than I normally would, trying to get to the school. Like I said, this school, my new school, is about half the distance of my old one. So it usually only takes me about, at the most, 20 minutes to get there, depending on how long I have to wait at the intersection at Highway 6. I have to cross the entire highway to get to my school. And usually this time of day, people are getting out of work, so traffic can be a bit messy. So I just do what I do and take whatever openings present themselves, so we'll run out there. I'll show you that sometime, but I think I'd rather concentrate on the traffic. Oh no, well, that's not good. That just blew over. That's on cement. like the Wild West over here. Waiting for bits of tumbleweeds to come across my path. Whoa, that sand does get in your eyes. Feel it in my arms. But anyway, I thought when I got to the school, since I'll have more time than usual, because I wanted to leave and try to get there before the storm hit, I'll show you around inside. At night, it's usually only me, maybe one other person, my students, of course, and one assistant administrator, just to be sure, just so there's somebody there if I should need anything or need some kind of assistance for whatever reason. There's always somebody there when there are teachers and students in the building, which is a pretty good policy. Woo. But yeah, I'd like to walk. Nice, it's not that long. And like I said, I like the areas I have to go through. Anyway, I will go ahead and shut this off here. I'll give you a short tour of the school. When I get there, I'm feeling some drops of rain. I better get the umbrella out. Talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, so this is the school, Hamlin International Academy. You come in, you got the office area right here with all the usual office things. We have an assistant administrator. We have an administrator. This is where they keep the uniforms, other things. Ooh, you can saw the train in. How you doing, Don? Let me take you down the hallway. None of the lights are on, but all of these are classrooms. All these doors here with all the lights off, with the spooky vibe. They are all classrooms. I'll show you mine here in a minute, which is the one, of course, with the lights on. So down this long hallway is the back. Hello. This is just the back area here, nothing really much to see. And now I'll show you the classroom. It's a classroom. You got the board up here, chairs. There's my board for the day. Date, my name, my admonition, the stuff I'll need. And here is a list of all the public holidays in Cambodia for this year. That is a lot of holidays. That's a lot of time off. So what I like to do when I come in, hit the aircon. Like I said, I think these used to be apartments because back here it's got like a little kitchen area. Little bathroom in here with a door. Then of course turn on the fan. So we'll get everything going. Anyway, that's it. There'll be more to see later, of course, but I'm here at night, so I'm kind of by myself. But this is what we are working with. Very nice. That's the book we're going through right now, the first one. And all the assorted paperworks I need. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys later.